Welcome back. Today we're exploring 15 incredible inventions that prove humanity is accelerating into the future. These aren't science fiction concepts, they're real technologies being developed right now. Some solve everyday problems, others tackle climate change. A few will genuinely blow your mind. Let's dive in. Invention 1. Quantum computers. IBM introduced the world's first modular quantum computer in 2023. The Heron processor produces 5 times fewer errors than previous models and handles complex math and physics problems that regular computers would take tens of thousands of years to solve. Quantum computers solve them in minutes. The system comes with Advanced Software Kit 1.0, which speeds up tasks by about 5 times. This is computing's future arriving today. Invention 2. T1000 polymer. Researchers at MIT created a self-healing polymer similar to Terminator's liquid metal. If you cut it and reattach the pieces, they fuse back together by 97% in just 2 hours into a single, strong, flexible material. No special conditions needed. It works at room temperature and is useful for automotive and construction industries. Invention 3. Archimedes wave swing. The Archimedes wave swing is a wave power station designed as a buoy anchored to the ocean floor. Waves push the movable section downward, building pressure inside. When pressure builds enough, it pushes back up. This cycle converts motion into electricity, producing 10 kilowatts average and 80 kilowatts peak power during testing. Manufacturers plan future units generating 500 kilowatts. It operates effectively at depths of 25 meters or more. Invention 4. Pegasus helicopter. Traffic will be catastrophic by 2050. Pegasus is the solution, a helicopter with wheels. Drive it like a regular car from your garage. When you hit traffic, switch on the propeller and take to the skies. It reaches 120 kilometers per hour on ground with 420 kilometer range and 160 kilometers per hour airborne with 3-hour flight time. The company aims to manufacture 900 units annually by the 2030s. Urban transportation is changing forever. Invention 5. Snail robots. Researchers at the Chinese University of Hong Kong created snail-inspired robots using suction cups and magnets to attach to each other and build structures. They can create bridges for larger robots and form robotic arms. They work together seamlessly and are perfect for rescue teams. Their slow speed doesn't matter because their collaboration does. Invention 6. Solar bubble dryer. Drying grain quickly matters. It speeds up ripening, reduces harmful microorganisms, and extends storage life. The solar bubble dryer system was developed by Grain Pro with University of Hohenheim support. It has a 25 or 50 square meter drying area and looks like a large bubble supported by fans. Simple design, highly efficient, and affordable for farmers. This invention is transforming agricultural practices worldwide. Invention 7. Biker guard. Riding motorcycles in rain is dangerous. Bikers have to manually wipe their visors. The biker guard is a small wiper for motorcycles, similar to car wipers but designed specifically for bike helmets. It costs $345 because the brushless motor is reliable and expensive. The Aprilia racing team tested it and were impressed. The wiper is waterproof and lasts 15 hours on a full charge. The manufacturers offer a 3-year warranty, safety and convenience combined. Invention 8. SkyDeck. Flying is boring. Passengers stare at clouds or sleep. SkyDeck changes that. It's a transparent capsule installed in the tail section of aircraft. Passengers can enjoy stunning views from the sky in complete comfort. These premium seats generate extra revenue for airlines. On larger planes, an elevator accesses the capsule. Safety is prioritized with bird collision resistance. The company is in talks with major aviation manufacturers. Installation should begin soon. Flying will never be boring again. Invention 9. IGS vertical farming. Traditional farming uses massive amounts of land and water. IGS vertical farming solves both problems. The company attracted $54 million in investment. Their advanced automation doubles or triples yield compared to traditional greenhouses while using half the energy. Modular towers are controlled by smart hardware and AI algorithms. Lighting, ventilation, temperature, all automated. The towers collect condensation and have UV sterilization. Standing up to 12 meters tall, there's plenty of space. They grow not just greens, but also cabbage and berries. This is food production's future. Invention 10. Train simulator. Train driver training just got incredibly realistic. SimSoft created a train driver simulator that looks like a giant microwave crashed into a realistic train cabin. It features virtual routes similar to Train Sim World 3, but with actual physical levers, buttons, and cabin attributes. It's configurable for urban, intercity, streetcars, and subway trains. Weather changes like rain, snow, and fog are included. Smoke and tunnel effects add realism. AI algorithms help drivers review recordings and analyze mistakes. Training quality has just skyrocketed. Invention 11. Photokite Sigma Drone. Rescue teams need better tools. The Photokite Sigma is a tethered drone. It's literally attached to a specific location with a power cable. It climbs to 45 meters and stays airborne for up to 24 hours. Rescuers, firefighters, and police can see more and respond more effectively. Anyone can launch and land it. Just press a button. Data displays on laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Thermal and conventional camera images combine and send to up to 20 devices simultaneously. The 16 times hybrid zoom sees even the smallest details. Emergency response will never be the same. Invention 12. Gosun Solar Charger. 13.6 million electric cars were sold in 2023, but charging infrastructure lags behind. Gosun is a solar charging device raking in $2 million in pre-orders during the first 45 days. It adds 48 kilometers of driving range per day from free solar power. Installation is easy. It mounts on your car's roof. Deployment takes 1 minute. It's portable, affordable, and practical. EV adoption just became more sustainable. Invention 13. InMotion E20 Unicycle. Paris-banned electric scooters. People seeking mobility turned elsewhere. Enter the InMotion E20 Unicycle. It features a 900-watt motor reaching 20 kilometers per hour with 30-kilometer range on a single charge. Built-in Bluetooth speakers let you listen to music while riding. It's the most affordable model from the manufacturer, costing only $400. It's fun, practical, and way cheaper than a scooter. Micromobility just got better. Invention 14. Brooker H90 Gas Detector. Detecting dangerous gases matters. The Brooker H90 detects hazardous substances from several kilometers away. It's designed to catch gases from non-compliant factories or during terrorist attacks. It pinpoints origin, size, and chemical makeup of hazardous plumes. A built-in camera overlays hyperspectral data directly onto video footage. It monitors gases, liquid droplets, and particulate matter at 16 scans per second. Environmental protection and security combined. Invention 15. Vario Teleport. Teleportation from sci-fi movies isn't here yet, but Vario Teleport is the next best thing. Use your smartphone with a special app to scan a room, street, or any space. The app reconstructs the area and turns it into a virtual location. Explore it using a VR headset or web browser on Windows or Mac. You need an iPhone 12 Pro or newer and early access sign-up. Virtual reality just became more immersive. That's 15 inventions reshaping our world. From quantum computers solving impossible problems to Pegasus helicopters ending traffic, humanity is accelerating. The future isn't coming, it's here. If this video changed how you think about innovation and technology, hit the like button and subscribe. We explore cutting-edge inventions every week. Here's my question for you. Which of these 15 inventions excites you most? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.